Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome. I'm Mahesha, a healer and a mindset coach. This EFT tapping is a sacred moment from the very first Reiki Renewal Rising session of 2026 that I held yesterday for my community. And I'm sharing it with you as a gift for the full wolf moon, the energy of the horse, and the opening of a year one new beginning. This is a powerful time of transition, a moment to close what has been and gently step into what is ready to emerge. As we tap together, allow yourself to arrive fully in your body. You don't need to know how this year will unfold. You are simply here to meet it with trust, openness, and presence. So, together, let's take a deep breath in and release it with a sigh. Even though I'm standing at the edge of a new year and a new chapter, I choose to step forwards with trust and openness. And even though part of me may feel unsure about what lies ahead, I honor that feeling and choose courage, clarity, and forward movement. And even though I don't know exactly how this year will unfold, I trust myself. I trust the timing. And I trust the energy guiding me into 2026. And I deeply and completely love, accept, and honor myself. I honor everything that brought me here. I acknowledge the year I am leaving behind. The lessons, the growth, and the endings. I don't need to carry it forward anymore. I release what is complete. I thank the past for shaping me. And I gently close the old chapter now. I release the old year with gratitude and peace. Take a deep breath in here and release it with a sigh. This is a new beginning. I'm standing at the start of something new. Year one invites creation and leadership. And I give myself permission to begin again. I don't need to have it all figured out. I trust my ability to lead my life. I choose intention over hesitation. And I step into 2026 with clarity and courage. Another deep breath in, please. I welcome the energy of the horse. Forward movement flows through me. I feel momentum building inside my body. And I allow confidence and freedom to rise. I trust my strength and endurance. I move forward without forcing. I am carried by purpose and passion. I run towards my life with trust and power. Another deep breath in. I honor the light of the wolf moon. I reconnect with my instincts and truth. I listen deeply to my inner voice. I trust what I feel and know. I no longer silence my inner wisdom. I stand strong in who I am. I belong to myself fully. I lead from intuition, truth, and integrity. Another deep breath in. I align with the energy of this year. And I choose flow instead of force. I allow opportunities to meet me. I trust the timing of my life. I am supported as I move forward. My path opens step by step. I walk it with presence and power. I am aligned with what is meant for me. Another deep breath in. I claim this new year as mine. I welcome growth, expansion, and truth. I embody courage and clarity. I allow joy and purpose to lead me. I trust myself fully. I step forwards with grounded confidence. I am ready for what this year brings. I welcome 2026 with strength, freedom, and trust. Final deep breath in. That was wonderful. So take a moment now to notice how you feel in your body. Even the smallest shift is meaningful. That's how change begins. In Reiki Renewal Rising, we don't stop at tapping. After sessions like this, we move into a guided meditation around the same theme, and I channel Lucy Reiki of the light to support your nervous system, your energy, and your integration on a deeper level. If you felt something open or soften today, you are warmly invited to join us inside Reiki Renewal Rising. It's a gentle, supportive space where we gather for weekly Reiki healing, guided transformation, and conscious connection. You'll find the link in the description as a pinned comment, and I'll also tag it up here. Thank you for being here, for honoring this moment, and for stepping into 2026 with intention. Until next time, beautiful soul, I'm sending you so much love and light.